Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, here today I am at Leroat Log at Kajiado County. Today I have a short travel tale about the sun and the wind. It is an Aesop's fable. Once upon a time, the sun and the wind were good friends and they argued. I am the strongest, said the wind, and I am the strongest, said the sun. In their competition, they saw a traveler. He was wearing a coat, and they both wanted to compete to see who will make the traveler remove his coat. So the wind blew and blew with all rage. But the traveler held the coat tightly because it was so cold. The sun decided to smile. The harder he smiled. The traveler felt so hot until he removed his coat. Oh, well, this story teaches us, as you travel, just take care and you just usually behave according to the weather. And also, the wind learned from the sun that you should learn to be gentle. Just the gentle smile is what worked wonders. I have two travel tips when traveling. The two things you can carry on a warm sunny day when you're traveling are, of course, your bucket hat and your sunglasses, and also, of course, don't forget to wear light clothing so that you don't get uncomfortable. And two things you can carry on cold weather when you're traveling. Remember to wear a coat and remember to protect your chest with a scarf. Well, that's it from Paths Oasis. For more travel tips, check out my website, pathsoasis.com. Check out the YouTube and the Facebook. Till next time.